Yes, Aya. Yeah, man. Michael Manley Pitney is back at States again. Yeah, man. Me the tall, you know. Me tall, you know. Me tell us my way be too tight today, no, brother. Yeah, man. In a seat. Hard work and integrity. And ignorance enslave and knowledge liberate. Yeah. In a seat. Because anything I want, you know, I work hard for, you know, I rob and thief people, you know. I'm an honest worker, you know. Especially poor people, you know. I rip off poor people, you know. I'm a poor people photographer. You understand me? I'm a poor man. I'm proud to be poor. You know, see? Because I try get rich and die trying. So I say right now, big up to all God-fearing and God-loving people all over the world. And that me I say good morning to my family, my friends, and especially to my enemies. Yes, Aya. As I say now, brother, I go time myself, you know. I not chat too long, but I tell you, brother, what time myself? I say God always answer my prayer. God deep down, you know, I say I want neighbor and states to clash, you know. And neighbor and states clash, you know. I mean the best school win today. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Soko. Yeah, man. Soko. You ever living, you know. In the business nobody wants to say, you know. Because you live in me right now. As what I say now. And, you know. Boy, I mean, there's some burning issues. I mean, I really go, I don't want to straight up on the topic, you know. I know, say, Neighbor States today, me the best school win. And that me I say right now. But right now, you see when you come on to this place, because I go shift the camera, for me, you know. Because I don't too like future myself too tough, you know. And I go show no playground. I go show no grass. I go show no playground. In a seat. Yeah, man. For the youths of St. Elizabeth. Because you see how States stay. No way. A Trelawney. Not take the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium ground. Don't look like States. States. Sports complex. Yeah, man. You know, see, that's why I always big up Mr. Keith Wellington, no matter what. To wine do. For the youth them of St. Elizabeth. Although the States playground there for a long time still, you know. Because I play upon, you know, I play upon this ground when I am 14 years old, you know. This ground, you know, play upon, you know. My first schoolboy competition, you know, against Homewood, you know. When States get Homewood 5-2, I score the first 2 goals. And the field never stays up. Grass in the pan is still, but just have a look at that time. You can see the dirt, the man all them sitting there. But grass in the pan is still. As what I say, it's a point I want to raise. It's a point I want to raise. Because I don't come to tear down people, you know. I come to uplift people, you know. And I talk facts and reality. So as I say, I'm the best school win today. Yeah, man. Because I say, we start at States and finish a nib. And make a big difference on nib. That's why Anthony Badascar tell me, say, don't regret your left States. You see, be glad you got nib will make a difference. I mean, I don't talk much about myself. I talk about playground. That I want to talk about. In a seat, the States playground. Big up yourself, Hero. You know, link me a while ago, but through me tell me there, I sent it, and we say I'm not that too strong. So, as I say, Hero, the playground you show me in Finland. In a seat, I'm going to show you States playground, Hero. In a seat, it's a playground. I dream if you go dream to see all a playground like this can reach all Trelawney. So I go take the camera now and I go just yeah man the playground brother. Yeah man. Yes. Yeah man, it's a state playground. You see, me can show you some grass. You understand me? You see, some grass what the man them. You see when it's when time lately. You see when time all this something there. Yeah man. When you have grounds like this, so you can play football. You have to have facilities like them. You see, so you can improve them game. You see. Look on the grass. Them grass, I tell you brother, it's like a carpet. Yeah. I tell you say, in a seat, as since Mr. Keith Wellington come out here in a levels, you understand me? Yeah, when the playground looks so and stay so because it's a more time when they don't play, you have water come up, sprinkle underneath it, and sprinkle the place and take care of the playground. You have to have facilities like them. If you want to see the improvement of football, you have to have good ground. You understand me? At the grassroots level. Yeah man. Yes. That's why I say them face care thing when I go with a barrack school. You understand me? Yes. May I tell you? When you look after playground, you have to look after the ground properly at the grassroots level. Yes, look on all them. Look on them grass, brother. Look on them grass. What do you want them can get for play upon? You know, see it? And them thing I want to see a park field. Them thing I want to see on the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium. And them thing I want to see in the seat. All on center field and all them field it. You understand me? Me I tell you brother. Yeah man. So here, my brother knew where they are Finland. See that? Same thing like you show me, you know. I play going to Finland, you know. So one like it at here. In a seat. Down at St. Elizabeth. Down at States. I say it grieved me, you know, brother. It grieved me so much last night, you know. When I see Bobsie Grange. Bobsie Grange, she they sign up papers. And I cannot, you know, see it, big pan TV. But only go renovate National Stadium and not do that to stadium and do this to stadium. Yes, that is nice, you know, Bobsie. But Bobsie, before you can reach stadium, you have to start from the grassroots level, Bobsie. Bobsie, you have to start from the, you have to make the grassroots, you have to make the fields in a seat. At the grassroots level, at the primary school level. I saw the field in the state that you can play football pan. They all can run pan the same way. If you can't put a chevron pan it, because if you can't put chevron pan all of the primary school playground them and the youth center. Because only no fix no center, you know. Because the Santa Cruz center over there, you know. The Santa Cruz center over there, you know. And that no fix. The ground no proper. You understand me? Yes. So Bobsie Grange, all of the money they want to take and go fix stadium. Only if you use them and fix this the fields them, man. In a seat. At the grassroots levels, at the primary schools them. So them can start out playing on good playground. In a seat. Start at the grassroots level, Bobsie, before you can chat about stadium. In a seat. Bobsie. One question I want to ask you, Bobsie. Catching all turf a fix. I know say Mobile United lease out Catchinal and they play football on Catchinal field right now. And it's a Mobile United home ground. I want to know if you track down a Catchinal fix. In Bobsie, Catching our track fixed right now because I see you stand up big, how much years in ago, or 3 years in the making we fix up stadium. Stadium never full the capacity yet. In a seat. On a big plan to stadium, which is nice, but we never start from the grassroots level, Bobsie. Also all of the primary school and field, all of the schools them, as much as possible, we stay in a seat. So the youth them can something there. In a seat. So you can have good ground to play upon at the grassroots level. At the grassroots level things start from Bobsie. Look on Falmouth Centre, Bobsie. Falmouth Centre town core pasture. A youth centre town core pasture. And I see in Falmouth Youth Centre, we want to build full farm pan. And we want to chat certain things about politics. Look only to Falmouth. In a seat. We take Falmouth playground in a seat. Turn one set, turn one old mess. All type of foolishness. On the couldn't do anything in Tivoli, you know. Yes. And me talk certain things and I feel that politics now nothing at all for this, you know, brother. We have to the youth of tomorrow. Yes. Look on the playground. On a school compound. You have to big up Mr. Keith Wellington, you know. Yeah, man. And that me I talk about. I talk about the States playground. Why no playground at Trulani can look like this? Why? The big ship them come at Trulani. And no playground at Trulani look so. Mr. Wright, I do something over Nib still, you know. Mr. Nib kind of they have a different look now still, but what? It's a far to go. And you talk about seating capacity and all them sitting there. Yeah, man, the bleachers in a seat. Yeah, man, and all the grandstand. From your boy, this their States. It was wooden grandstand, you know. It was wooden. When we come to States, 1979, the grandstand away and went board. And then change from the board now a concrete from when. Me come as a boy, come see this, you know. Yeah. You come as a boy 1979, come see this. From your boy, me come here. And now you're Trulani. Don't have a playground like this. And that's a man talk. And that's a man talk, brother. You understand me? Yes. That's enough to big up Mr. Keith Wellington. Enough to me can talk about Mr. Keith Wellington, no, man. You know, see it. The man can make a change in the States. I want Mr. Keith Wellington. Sometimes certain things I might talk about certain things, you know, man. But let me check it out, you know. What Mr. Keith Wellington do, you know? Mr. Keith Wellington give some school some chance to win the Costa Cup. Mr. Keith Wellington make it think I put a level field right now on schoolboy football. Mr. Keith Wellington level the thing in such a way now. That's why when I use Billa, when at school, Billa baller, the baller for stay at them school. In a seat. And build up them school. Because you Mr. Keith Wellington do the thing now, you know, man. Mr. Keith Wellington have no chance to win the Costa Cup. Because back in the days, everybody want to come to States. Everybody want to come to States. And want to go Clarendon College and want to go, yes, and want to go overseas. But now, the man make you know, say, boy, only for having a nursery for 14 and so, and build the ballers them. Build the ballers them and bring them. You know, see it. So Mr. Keith Wellington just level the field. The ground for that's every school, long as if you have good coaches and good playground, when you can win the Costa Cup, when you can compete at the highest level. But sometimes I have to just big up Mr. Keith Wellington still, you know. Yeah, my might burn He might burn fire upon him more time, but deep down, he's a good man. He's a good principal in such a sense. Yes, because he might make other school have chance. It's a key to him to level the play field right now. So schools can have chance to win, have chance in a seat. Because one time, every youth from Westmoreland want to come and states. And them at Westmoreland now, they must stay a man in school there. And man do well. Yeah, man. So, if States don't win another title, such is life. As long as you play a good school, they play a good football, and get them scholarship, and when they living out of it. I saw me say things right now. That's why I say Mr. Key told them that we come out of principal thing now and in a seat. Come out of the school system and go to active politics. Yeah, man, because Mr. Key told them that we do a better job than all Bobsie Grange. Because Bobsie Grange is a joker. In a seat. A long time Bobsie Grange in politics, you know. We not talk about young people time and all them sitting there. Bobsie Grange has no idea. Bobsie Grange you never deal with things from the grassroots level, Bobsie. Deal with the playground from the grassroots level, Bobsie. Yeah, man. So you can at 6 years old, them age group there, they can have good field to play upon. In a seat. Because election come up now, una go and kind of do work. Look for when you plan for fix stadium. But no, una wait until when time to election to call next year. Una go on like when I do work. But you don't do nothing at all, you know. Una can't fool people and trick people, you know. But you can't fool God-fearing people, you know. You know truths and rights, you know. Bobsie, if possible, all high school and primary school if you have playground like this. But take for instance, look how you treat Bustamante High School. Bustamante High School playground. Bustamante, the founder of the Jamaica Labour Party. You understand? Look how you treat Bustamante High School. Code they run down Pitney Pan High School and the code they go up on the school, go. You see, when the Pitney man are train for champs, code they run down Pitney Pan School and all them sitting there. In a seat. That me I talk about. Code go up on school go down the Pitney SBA thing. Bustamante High School want proper fencing and Bustamante High School don't have a proper playground. I saw playground for stay, Bobsie. In a seat. On turn Falmouth Youth Center in a place with homeless. On go put fall for on panel now. Code race panny in a seat. Man a mine cold panny and all them sitting there. And back in the 70s, 80s, 90s. Falmouth Youth Center never did stay so. I play youth, I play peer sports. In a seat. Peer youth, I play peer sports, Bobsie. The whole I know. All you do are deceive the people them and divide the people them. In a seat. And treat the people them for their own personal game. Because election I will call now on the top of the fixed stadium. Catching all track fix yet, Bobsie? You fix catching all track it? Stadium, all the stadium want are the lighting be fixed and the ground be fixed. In a seat. And that's what you do. And use the money and fix catching all and fix multi-purpose stadium and other facilities across Jamaica. I make every school get a lawnmower so they can maintain the school. Because we're not going with a farm with enough. Foolish not going with enough. When you claim to the court farm with all this playground, but what? The people can't play upon that. We want grass like this from Falmouth, from Bark School playground. We want grass like this a center. Yeah, man. We want grass like this on the children multi-purpose stadium. And all over the length and breadth of Jamaica. Look on Foom Sports Complex. Look on Foom Gong, Town Forest. Everton Tomlinson, half a billion one thing a land dialogue. Yeah. That's why man is youth them and youth them from Westman have good going to play upon. Big up yourself, Everton Tomlinson. I passed through in the state same way. So, we got 18 minutes. I put it to 20 minutes. Yes. Come in there, my old school right now. I'm going to say, brother, yes. Big up yourself, Mr. Keith Wellington. In a seat. Because I'm Prime Minister, you know, because you love youngsters, you love sports so much. I'm not even saying anything more. When you come on to school by football, I'm the best school winning in Aya. We want to win the cup, you know. As long as the youth them get opportunity like Dixon, you know, you from Clarendon College, getting contract to play ball overseas. I be play for Jamaica right now. I say I want to set them forward. So we want to win the Costa Cup, we win the Costa Cup. All today, we gotta just watch all the ball game. You know, see it. But me come to say, big up yourself, Mr. Keith Wellington. You see it. Mr. Keith Wellington, now close by say, Mr. Keith Wellington, you need to come out of the school system now. I'm going to active politics. Because you're a younger man than Bobsie Grange. You're fresh ideas than Bobsie Grange. Because Bobsie Grange, you know what? Bobsie Grange have a clue what she do. She don't know what she do. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. Bobsie, the thing we start on the grassroots, at the grassroots level, before they can reach stadium. Eh? If they don't have no playing for the youth at the grassroots level, only go reach national stadium. In Bobsie, then they play upon gongs like this at the grassroots level, at primary school, and even at infant school too. Because you have some places at town about infant school competition. And so the gongs they stay at the grassroots level, Bobsie. In a seat. Yeah. You should be ashamed of yourself, you know. You take a youth center, farm youth center, farm the capital of Chilani. The parish of Usain Bolt come from. And look on the youth center. Eh? Look on the youth center. The town cow pasture. Fowl farm go build panny now. You understand me? Coal mine the panny. Meadows the panny. And they can trick people. So as I say, I go sign out and now, brother. We just come for us talk about. Yeah, man. This is a playground here. Yeah. That's how I come to talk about. I'm going to go watch. Yeah, man. Big up my friend Buster. You know, say me have a future Buster still, you know. Yeah, man. General Buster. Sports Buster in the area. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's more cool. More sign out now still, you know. Because much coming the time, yes, 21 minutes me talk for. Me not talk anymore. You know, see it. So right now, you know, it doesn't go easy. Oh, I win the cup, you know. Because when I play at school by football, I don't no big coach, you know, PE teacher, you know. No fun of youth, when I get coach upon coach, I still not play no football. Because no discipline. You understand me? That's why I go leave Mr. Keith Wellington and run with them alone, you know. You know, see it. Who want win the cup. Because look on the field when I get to play upon. When I boy, I play upon the field, you know. On still not playing the ball. When you get boots, when you get wolper, when you have gym, everything you have done here, you know. Everything you have done here, you know. Something you can't blame on the coaches there because when you just not playing football nowadays, like we back in the days. Because none of them are good like Noel Sweetie Smith. Yes. And Sweetie never done feel to play upon and all them facilities there. One who have nowadays. I mean, I don't talk states alone. Most of the schools in Jamaica see me. No, I'm playing football more than so, brother. So, many the best school win the Costa Cup, you hear me? Most start come and match no more and watch ball game. You know, see it. But as I say, brother, I can't come on for the, you know, see it. Panali grass, brother. Bobsie, you need to start the thing but at the grassroots level, you hear me? And stop the foolishness we're not going with. The grassroots, if you start the thing, Bobsie, every playground, if possible, The money I take every playground is possible. For the primary school, should not look like this here. I'm modern time now. Modern time now, brother. Understand me? Yes. I'm not sign out, you know what I say. Big up yourself, Mr. Keith Wellington. They say you need to come out of active politics. You need to come out of principal business and go to active politics. Come and see that you do a better job than Bobsie Green. Because Bobsie Green never clue what she do. And the grassroot, the thing start for me, Bobsie, the grassroot. Yes. So I say, yeah man, the word is love. Yeah man, the word is love. The word is love. I made the best school win today. Yeah man, see one states. Yeah man, states 1999. Yeah man, the man is very envied, you know. Because the man are the only man win Oliver Shield in the states, you know. Buster. In the seat, part of states 1999 D Cup team. Man, I love sports too. Yeah man, so as I say, the word is love, you hear me? Yeah man. Okay. Just keep, as I say, big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yes. Yeah man. Because you ever living inside of me, Soko. Still alive in me. That's how everything set. As I say, yeah man, you got us. Yeah man. Sign off. You know. The word is love. State Sports Complex, Aya. Yes, Aya.